Hi, my name is Sabrina, and one of my biggest pet peeves is when people take pictures of Polaroids or film pictures to upload to social media. Why, you might ask? It's because it's a waste. You are missing out on so much of the quality of the picture if you just take a picture with your phone. But no worries, today I'm gonna teach you how to do it the proper way, how to do it the pro way. Yes, today I'm revealing all of my secrets on how to scan in Polaroids and film pictures like a pro. Let's just get started, shall we? Also, yes, I am a brunette now. It was a complete impulse thing, but that's not what this video is about. So let's just get into the actual video, shall we? Really, the only thing you'll need for this is a flatbed scanner. If you don't have one, you can try it at your university or at several printing places. It really is the only necessary thing for this tutorial. Then, making sure the scanner has no dust on it, you can lay out about 2 film pictures or 8 Polaroids at a time. Now, the trick to getting high resolution scans is the DPI. I recommend a DPI of about 600. That's way more than enough. It'll give you a reasonable file size. They may take a minute to load on mobile devices, but they will be very crisp and high quality. If you want to go really extreme, you can set the DPI to 1000, but it's really not necessary. I think 600 is way more than enough to get a good scan. Next up, you can airdrop the files to your phone and crop them on there. I always like the cropping software on my iPhone better than the one on my MacBook, so I prefer to crop them on my phone. But as you can see, the scans turn out very nice and crisp and high quality. And now you can go ahead and repeat that process for your Polaroids, except now you can fit about 8 Polaroids at a time on your scanner. The cropping process might be a little bit more difficult because you might have to change the angle of the pictures. However, that's why I love the iPhone software. It's so easy to do. Just mess around with it until it looks good. And that's it for this little tutorial. I highly recommend you do this, not just for posting your pictures, but also just for keeping them safe in case of emergencies. And that was it for this quick little video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, because all of those things will help me out on my YouTube journey. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!